To set up Google Authenticator for your Tindo account, start by logging in at thetindo.com. Once logged in, your account name will be displayed, and from there, you can access account settings. Within account settings, navigate to Sign In and Security Settings, and then select two-step verification. Click on the Edit option and then choose to set up two-step verification. You will be prompted to enter your Tindo account password and confirm. Next, you will need to verify your email address by entering a code that will be sent to you. After submitting the code, a QR code will be displayed. Open the Google Authenticator application on your device and scan the QR code. Or select the manual input option and enter the code manually. Once the QR code is scanned or the code is entered, you will see a 6-digit code on your device or in the Google Authenticator app. Enter this code to complete the setup and enable two-step verification for your Tindo account.